Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xingfa Exhibition Hall. Xingfa System is the R&D department of Xingfa Windows and Doors. And here behind me is Xingfa Exhibition Centers of key research items demonstrations. Let's go and take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is 7/8 folding doors. I'm going to introduce this product in two different aspects: the application environment and the design. This folding door is mainly used in south of China and southeast of Asia, where displays require a large space lighting area and a wide range of ventilations. From the design point of view, this folding door has an anti-trap design. It won't hurt your hand while you are opening and closing. And also, this product is equipped with stainless steel tracks that may ensure the sliding smoothing.